Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to import inventory transfers in SAP Business One having items managed by serial numbers or batch numbers. I understand it's a little bit tricky to import data of the items having serial and batch numbers. However, it's not difficult or it's not complicated. In my today's video, I'll use the example of items having batch numbers, but the concept and logic is same for the items having serial numbers. So first of all, you need to find out the relevant templates which are required to import inventory transfers in SAP. So the first template is the OWTR stock transfer header. It's basically the standard inventory transfer document, the header section of the document like date, from, and to warehouse. The second one is the for the rows in the inventory transfer document. It's item code, quantity to be transferred again from warehouse and to warehouse, and if you want to have any line remarks. The third one is the template for the batch numbers. So there are total three templates. If you have bill locations, then there is a fourth one also for the bill location information. However, in today's video, uh, I'm not considering the scenario of bill locations. So the template for header and lines, OWTR and WTR1, they are referenced based on the document number because both of them are separate Excel sheets. So how system will be able to find out which line refers to which header line? It's based on the document number. And the template WTR1 and BT and T, they are referenced based on the line number. So each row in the inventory transfer has a unique number in the database and in the system, and based on that row, we can reference in Excel also. You just need to keep in mind you don't need to think about the line number in the database. The line number is basically within the Excel sheets only. I'll show you in the system demo. Before you upload anything in the production database, you have it's always recommended you should try it in the test database. Let's have a system demo. So the first thing is you need to find out the templates. You can find out the templates on the machine where DDW is installed in C drive, program files, SAP, data transfer workbench, templates, inventory transactions, and inventory transfer. You can see OWTR, WTR1, and WTR12. This is, I think, something different, sorry. BTNT, batch number transfer. So once you have those templates, so the first template is OWTR. So I have a document entry. It's just for the Excel, a unique reference for each document, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the document date, then from warehouse and to warehouse. And if you want to have a reference, you can enter the reference also, reference 1 and reference 2. Let's say reference 1A. And I'll simply save this in TXT format. The second template is WTR1, that is for the line items. So my document number, which is the reference according to the header template, it will remain 1 because I'm going to create one inventory transfer for two different items. And line number is 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4 if you have more lines. And this is the item code. These items are managed by batch numbers, and the quantity description is not needed from warehouse and to warehouse. And again, I'll save this in TXT format and I'll keep it open for now because I need to explain something in the batch numbers. So the third template is about the batch numbers. So I have two different batches for these items. So for item 155, I have a batch number 2023-0401, and for item 14, I have a batch number tetrax. And both of these batches are available in the warehouse 01. So the document number, it will remain same. as I'm going to create one inventory transfer for both items, and it's only one document in my import list. The line number is the key thing here. So the system will find out this batch number belongs to item 155 in the Excel sheet. So you can see I have line number 0 here, and in the batches template under the baseline I mentioned 0. And for the batch tetrax, I have baseline number 1, and this belongs to the item 14, and the item 14 has line number 1 in the rows template WTR1. So again, I'll save this as txt. Okay, and I'll close all of them, and I'll open the data transfer workbench. So before I import, you can see the inventory transfer. The last inventory transfer document was number 4. So I'll go to data transfer workbench, import, and I'll choose say transactional data, add new data, inventory transactions, inventory transfer, and here is the stock transfer. The first template I need here is OWTR. Then I need to choose the template for the stock transfer lines, which is WTR1, and then a template for the batch numbers, which is PTNT. I'll quickly have a look on the mapping. Everything looks okay in all the templates. So I'll simply next. Before I import, I will simulate if there is any error, so I will find out. You can see there is no error. Before I import, let me show you something in the system. Both of these items are managed by batches. And now I'll simply next and import. So one inventory transfer has been imported. So if I see there should be an inventory transfer document with number 5. Okay, and this is for item 155 and 14 from warehouse 1 to 2 and 5 quantity. If I simply right click and open the batch number transaction report, I can find out there is an inventory transfer for Tetrax batch for item 14. If I click on item 155, I can see the inventory transfer number 5. It was processed on 1st of April and the batch number was 202304. So that's it about inventory transfer. If you have any questions, please feel free to post in comments. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe, and share.